So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete your Depop account. So the first thing you want to do is to open up Depop. It's going to look something like this. So through there you can see stuff for women, men, kids, brands, sports, trending, and sale. You can see sell now, messages, your likes, your shopping bag, and your account. So you can expand on that. You can see your profile, your selling hub, purchases, settings, resolution center, and logout. Now through there, what I suggest is that you click on settings. Once you're here, you will see a lot of different things once you have your account fully set up. Now, in order to delete your Depop account, you'll see the option to do that within your settings and specifically your account settings. But if your account is linked with another account, so if you're choosing to link it with your Google or Apple ID or something similar like that, you will need to go to Depop or rather your Google account that's linked with Depop and just unlink it. And in that case, it's going to be removed from Depop's archive, so it won't be there anymore. You can also check out stuff on there for your information. But usually it's going to be contained within your account, and then you can choose to remove your account when it's ready to go, and then you can delete it through your Depop account details. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Depop or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.